All the members, our motion today is about is it better to eat Miraa or not?
Jesus is Lord!
Now, we can start our debate. Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I am here to support the motion which says, is it better to eat Miraa or not? Eating Miraa, it is better because if you chew Miraa, Mr. Speaker, sir, and you put this big tattoo over here, you build many mansions and houses and earn many cars, and you go another planet, Earth, and you feel good while eating Miraa. Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. What this member has said is totally lie. That is what I call hallucination. Eating Miraa is very bad. It's very bad because when you sleep, you forget you have something else that should start waking you up.
Jesus is Lord!
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Through this House is highly honored. I want to support the motion. It is better to eat Miraa or not. Mr. Speaker, you know when someone is in taxi and has a lot of Miraa, that's very good, Mr. Speaker. You know, from the Bible, this is my friend, called Mr. Moses. Why think Miraa there from Mesopotamia there? And he left me, Mr. Speaker, until I reincarnated and instant. So as you can see, Miraa has a lot of disadvantage because I have not died.
You died yesterday and you reincarnated.
Mr. Speaker, listen. There's this man from Miraa, on Kalata. He was a very good friend of mine. We went there in Canada as a family and planted very many Miraa there, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, that's an advantage of eating Miraa, Mr. Speaker. I have very many children. Mr. Speaker, and again there in Ukraine. Went there for war between Ukraine and Russia. I was having taxi and the mom came and eat taxi and distract taxi. So you see, I did not die. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, that is a lie. If you chew Miraa, Mr. Speaker, you can't sleep. The other thing, you lack what they call appetite. You can't eat even food, Mr. Speaker. How can you say?
Okay, from there, I can say that Miraa is good.
Miraa is not good, Mr. Speaker.
This is where I'm by. They can never view the family planet.
Mr. Speaker.
This is where I'm
Mr.
by. You
Speaker,
cannot bring a child here or marry.
It is not a good Miraa.
So, Miraa
Miraa is not a good Miraa. And you cannot tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, you cannot tell me nothing because Miraa, I can see Miraa.
Sergeant Tata, want to this one?